Hi guys and girls! This lecture should help you understand what makes a network. As we already said, networks are made of nodes and links. Nodes can be computers, modems, routers, switches, and etc. In this video, I will focus on using the internet in our home, and if you want a network without the internet access, you won't need modem or a router, so you can just skip to the part where I talk about switches. But if you want to know, and I would suggest that you do, how to set up the internet in your home, watch the whole video. Once you sign the contract with your ISP, Internet Service Provider, you need to buy a modem, router, and maybe a switch. Today, in most cases, at our home we only have one device. So, what's that device? That, guys, is a combination of a modem and a router. But let's explain one by one. I first mentioned computers. I will assume that you know what a computer is. It does not have to be a desktop or a laptop. Computers are also tablets and mobile devices. Everything that can be connected to the internet. Today, we witness the trend of smart appliances, like fridge, washing machines, microwave ovens. They can all access the internet, so we can control them remotely. So, in some network, your washing machine could also be a node, if it uses Wi-Fi. A modem is a modulator and demodulator. The signal from your internet service provider comes in analog waveform, and the modem transforms it into digital signal. And the signal from our home, from our router, is in digital form, so modem converts it into analog form. And I found this awesome website, it's called creately.com, that allows me to draw things I explain, so I'm gonna test it now. Okay guys, so this is some kind of a modem. You have a black port like this. This is connected to your ISP. It's not directly connected, but over some stations. It's not really important now. So there comes the cable that you get from your ISP, Internet Service Provider. And you have this blue port. This is for the Ethernet cable. This is Ethernet cable. It has this RJ45 connector and it holds a twisted pair of wires. So you buy this Ethernet cable, plug one side to the modem and other one to the router. Let's move to a router now. A router is a device that routes the data between networks. For example, if I need to send some document to my friend over the internet, a router will accept my document, which would be previously divided into pieces, and send them to another router that is closer to my friend. Then her router will accept those pieces and send them to her computer. Routers can do that because every piece of that document has the address of the receiver, so they know where to send it. That address is not the street name or the zip code, but the address of your computer in that network. It is called the IP address, Internet Protocol address. The router is here to divide that signal we got from modem, which is here, in several ports, which are these. So you can connect your PC, your laptop, your roomie's laptop, and etc. So you plug the Ethernet cable from your router to your computer. You will find the port that looks like this. That is the port from your network interface card. NIC is a computer component that you need to have in order to connect to the network. The NIC in your computer holds the media access control address. That's MAC address. So MAC address is given to a network adapter when it's manufactured. It is hardwired or hard-coded onto your computer's network interface card and it is unique. Routers can also have this antenna, that means that it also transmits Wi-Fi signal, so you can connect your smartphones and smart appliances that use Wi-Fi. You can see here that we have 4 ports for our home. What if we have more than 4 computers? What if we run some big company? We are going to need more ports and we are going to need switches. A switch is a device that connects computer in a LAN network. And if it operates without the router and without the internet access, it just accepts the data from one computer in a network and sends it to another computer in the same network. The data from the source computer has the MAC address of the destination computer and vice versa. And if we connect it to the router, then we expand these 4 ports. so we can connect devices to the internet. If you do not need more ports than your router has, you don't have to buy a switch. We also mentioned the links. Links are part of the network too. As we have learned, they are connecting the nodes. Links can be coaxial cable, optical fiber cable, twisted pair cable, and also electromagnetic waves. They are used with Wi-Fi technologies. I won't focus too much on cables, you just have to be able to recognize the Ethernet cable. Okay guys and girls, that's all for this lecture. See you next time.